Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nchupagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Kunzi refused to accept Nosipo as Makoti after Pastor Kwada proposed Nosipo in front of Kunzi and Kapsile. And it seems like Kunzi shows on Nosipo that he does not like her. While Kunzi become disappointed and surprised when Kapsile continued to talk about Mtambisi. It seems like Kapsile is annoying on Gonzi when she talk with the name of Mtambisi. He tell Gonzi that the receipt he got on Mtambisi, while Njinji will have to undergo a cleaning to appease her later husband. Mamlambo needs to get rid of an unwanted visitor in her house, while Mondli appreciate Lily working harder. That's for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.